Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with AutoEnhance AI. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Open your preferred web browser and type AutoEnhance.ai into the address bar. Step number 2. Locate the Get Started option on the top right corner of the website. Click there to kickstart your journey. Step number 3. Click on Register located at the lower left corner. You can opt to continue with your Google account or use email. For this demonstration, I will proceed with my Google account. Step number 4. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process, providing the necessary information. Step number 5. Congratulations! You are now fully equipped to harness the remarkable power of AI with AutoEnhance AI. Step number 6. Embark on a creative adventure. With AutoEnhance AI at your fingertips, dive into the realm of enhanced imagery. So, whenever you're refining your visual masterpieces, remember that AutoEnhance AI is here to make your images truly shine. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.